Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will discuss about option adjustments for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So in this options trade, we have taken a few strategies. We will discuss about the option adjustments. So let us discuss about the credit spread we took on this October month contract. We sold 18,500 and we bought 18,600. And in order to we had added certain at the money option of 18,300. By that time it looks like the market was moving up. In the yesterday's analysis, we made it very clear if the price is moving if the price is not moving above 18,460, if it is taking resistance around 18,460, we need to liquidate all this buy position. We should be very careful with this because we are holding a naked buy exposure. This will hurt us. Like we said earlier, that option adjustments, when you start doing option adjustment, you should be very dynamic and proactive. You should stay in the market and do some adjustments. So coming back to this analysis, the position whatever we took as a buy, probably you should have liquidated this position because it was very clear in yesterday's price direction that the price is not moving up, and if it is it is coming down. Or else what you should have done, like what we did in the other position, in the other position we took 18,300 sell and we bought 18,400 in order to protect it. The same 18,300 we purchased the in the money option. But in this case what we did, because we had spent certain amount of money, since it is a debit spread, we entered this around 290 rupees. We had spent certain amount of money. In order to recover it, we had taken another credit spread, so that even if the position is going wrong, we need not bother about this. But in this case it is a very dynamic position and a risky position, because we had spent enough in order to protect it. In order to protect this credit spread, we had spent a lot. So in both these cases, what you should have done yesterday is, the one case, in order to protect this 18,300, we should have liquidated few of the positions, or most of the positions. But in this another case, it is not in very much risky state. Maybe you should have liquidated this 18,300. We have 3 lots here, and you should have liquidated at least 2 lots, and you can keep one position. Now if we see the overall market analysis, we have posted a separate video for market overall analysis. As per our analysis, it says that the price is going to take some support around 18,000 and 18,020. So it means that the market is again going to give a bounce back with a consolidation. So if you had closed that yesterday's this 18,300 position earlier, now we can buy back the position if the price is again moving up. So option adjustments, you need to do it very dynamically, and you should be very active. You should follow the market outlook continuously in order to do the adjustments. So coming back to the Bank Nifty side, what we did was the same thing what we did in the Bank Nifty, but the difference is in Bank Nifty we sold 35,600 and 40,000. So in order to protect this 40,000 call, we thought of buying this 39,800 call option as a protection. If we go for this analysis, so it says that we have purchased is 18,000. Now you see the profit and loss for all these things, 39,800. So we bought it around by paying 500 rupees. So it's a very costly position. But if you see the yesterday's market outlook, what is the price action that happened in Bank Nifty yesterday, the market didn't come down, it consolidated there, it didn't trade below 39,600. So it was making a strong support. So in order to recover this price, in order to recover whatever we have paid as a debit for buying this premium, what we can do for today, so we are going to add 40,600 and 40,800 credit spread. So this gives us a net credit of around 39 to 40 rupees a premium. You need to go for multiple lots. So you can take 15 lots, or you can take 20 lots, because we need to cover this whatever we had paid, so that if the market is dropping down for today, assume that in Bank Nifty If the price is coming down below 39,500, please go and see our market overall outlook videos also. If the price is coming down below 39,500, you should dynamically close few of the 39,800 position. We have taken 4 lots. You should at least close 2 lots, so that this will not be a pain for us. So there is nothing wrong in closing the position. If you close that position, so everything will become positive. So even if you are going to hold all these position, your max profit can come around 12,960. So continuously try to do adjustments, be proactive, and kindly follow our videos. So for account opening, give missed call to 937 927. Kindly open trading account with Goodwill, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care. Bye.